Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is the fourth industrial revolution or Industry 4.0. Okay, this is an evolution of technical changes. It got the following characteristics. It is an expression that called a fourth of mega stage of revolution, technical, economical, of a humanitarian, counting from the first industries revolution. It is based on the digital revolution, which represents new ways in which the technology is integrated into societies and even into the human body. It is marked by emerging technological advances in various fields, which include robotics, artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, quantum computing, biotechnology, Internet of the Things, 3D printing, autonomous vehicle, and many more. Projects developed with Industry 4.0 are 100% compatible with any agile methodology and is the best way to structure them. Okay, so when we talk about Industries 4.0, we are also talking about for industrial revolution. So it's very important to put in context what are the previous industrial revolutions. The first one is the mechanical revolution. It came from 1750 to 1830, and it was created by the steam machine, the hydraulic energy, and all the main components of mechanization. That was very important because the trains were created here and everything started changing. Also, the ways of product different products. The second one, it was the electrical. It came from 1831 to 1930, and it was when all the mass production was made. The assembly line was made, and of course the electricity, because that was the fuel to develop all of these components. Then it came the third industrial revolution, that it came from 1931 to 2000, and it come from automatization, technologies of the information and communication. In this time it was developed the computer, it was developed all the technical components to develop the world. Nowadays we got the fourth industrial revolution, which means digital. It came from 2001, and it came with the different components. We're gonna see it right now. Um, it gives you different components to create all the applications, all the smartphones, all the augmented reality, big data, robotics, simulation, integrated system, Internet of the Things, cybersecurity, and the cloud. These are some of the components that build the Industries 4.0 and are focused on the fourth industrial revolution. We don't know yet which more components we're gonna have, but all of these have something in common, and all of them are digital. So future developments will come digital, and it will have different elements. So it's very important, because nowadays if we want to be entrepreneurs, these are the things that are relatively new to our system and are the things that have been growing up. For example, all the developments focus on electricity. That was the second revolution. Now everything is digital. Everything, TVs, smartphones, computers, the programming is spot on, because we needed to develop all of these. So these are the main components. These are the four industrial revolutions. But this one, the Industry 4.0, are the ones who are supporting the development of a digital revolution. As a conclusion, we can say that the best way to develop projects with Industries 4.0 is with agile methodologies, and is the best way is to complement. This is an industry of quick evolution. You have to have open mind to accept changes, and we always have to keep studying to know new developments. Thank you very much. I hope this video will be a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Our Udemy courses are already available in the description of this video. You can find them. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.